Hey guys, just wanted to talk to you a little bit about Virtual West in my classroom. For Math 1 and for AP Statistics, all assignments, lessons, anything that we are doing will be posted in Google Classroom each day during the weekdays. So make sure when you get up in the morning that you go in and see what you need to do for that day. For Math 1, you should not be spending more than 45 minutes a day on math. That includes watching your lessons and completing your assignments. Also, make sure you check your email every day. If I need to contact you individually, I'm going to send you an email. Communication is key through all this. Please make sure that if you are sick or you don't understand something or you have a question, just send me an email. I check my email regularly throughout the mornings. If you send me an email later in the evening or night, it may be the next day by the time I get back with you. I also have virtual office hours throughout the week, so make sure you look at what days and times those are available where we can talk out problems, communicate, whatever you may need. I really miss all of y'all, and I hope to see y'all soon. I hope that we are able to return back to school. This has been very tough for me. I am definitely a face-to-face teacher, and I enjoy being able to work with you and answer your questions and have discourse in class. So hopefully we will be able to see each other soon and go back to school in May. Good luck.